Hello. Today I will show you the easiest, fastest and most reliable way to download one or many video clips from a variety of sites. The method does not take time at all and is perfectly suitable for downloading both video and audio, as well as online broadcasts and videos with viewing restrictions. There can be a million reasons for downloading videos, from censorship to convenience of viewing when there is no internet. One way or another, but the problem is quite actual today, and probably everyone should know how to do it. You can download a video stream and save it to the desired format from almost any multimedia service. For example, if you want to watch it on a TV that does not support the newly invented format. You can download a video from most sites, although there are certainly exceptions. Now let's talk about how exactly you can do this. We can say that there are two programs that are the de facto standard for downloading videos, including streaming video, such as online broadcasts. These are the YouTube Downloader and YTDL, which is a modified YouTube downloader. However, there is one problem with them. They do not provide you with a user interface, and you would have to enter long commands with all the parameters you need, and this is a waste of time. Therefore, we will use SoundWorks. It doesn't download the video itself, but uses the aforementioned YTDL. We can say that SoundWorks is the best user interface for YTDL, which is unexpected, because there are several programs that have tried to solve this problem, and for SoundWorks this is not even the main task. The function is there for convenience. But, nevertheless, let's see how to download your video using the free SoundWorks application. To begin, let's open some website with video, and copy the URL to it. Let's start SoundWorks. In the Tools menu, select Download Online Video. If the link was already in the clipboard, then it will be in the address field. Pay attention to the button to the right of the address field. If you click on it, it will allow you to select a text file. You can save the necessary links in a text file, one link in each line, and then SoundWorks will be able to download them all without having to enter each link separately. Let's download this video to see how it works, then I'll tell you about each setting and what it means. Click the download button. As you can see, a black console window appeared, with download progress in it. We don't convert the video, but simply download it in the form in which it is provided by the video service, so the process is very fast. After some time the download process completed. Now let's look at the available settings, and what we may need them for. At the top there is a text field for a link or a batch text file. You can create a text file and place one link in each line. You can put just one link in this field, but if you need to download 20 links at once, then having a text file is the most convenient way. Let's take a look at the common elements. Below is a text field in which you specify the folder where you want to save your files. The button to the right of the text field allows you to select a folder interactively. At the bottom of the screen you see two checkboxes, Save the default settings, and copy the command to the clipboard. The first option allows you to save everything you have selected in the tabs and restore the settings the next time you open this window. At the moment of this recording, SoundWorks doesn't support having multiple profiles, or a different set of settings for different services, but that's work in progress. Perhaps when you watch this video, the profiles feature will already be there. The second option allows you to not run YTDL automatically, but simply copy the download command to the clipboard so that you can run it yourself in the console. This option is needed when the file is not downloaded for some reason, or you want to start downloading on another computer. Now let's take a look at the General tab. Write thumbnail files. This option will create a small image with a single frame from the video that can be used in the gallery. At the same time, the file format may not be known to us. If you want the thumbnail file to be converted to JPG, select the second option. It will only work when the previous setting is selected. Create Internet Shortcut. This option will create the URL file which will allow you to navigate to the source of this video. It will be stored next to the downloaded file. Don't check SSL certificate. This option will not verify the validity of the security certificate. Use it when you need a secure connection, but there is a problem with the certificate. For example, it is outdated. The next option is an unencrypted connection. This option currently only works with YouTube. It does not affect other services. Stop on error. If an error occurs when downloading or converting, the program will not try to continue working on the queue. This is useful when we don't want to waste time waiting for the whole package to go through. Restrict file names. This is a very important setting. Sometimes you won't be able to save a video just because there are characters in its name that are forbidden by your file system. This happens especially often with videos whose titles are in languages other than English or having emoji. In this case, mark this checkbox and only allowed characters will be used in the file name. Use cookies from the browser. Sometimes videos are forbidden to be shown to the general public. For example, a video can be protected from being shown to children. In this case, you can log in to the site in the browser, then mark this option and select the browser in which you entered the site. Resume and overwrite. These settings speak for themselves. If the download is interrupted, then you can start it from where you left off last time. Metadata. You can create additional files, for example, if you need to save comments or a video description. These options can only work with a small number of sites, they usually work with YouTube. Subtitles. As you can see, there are two options here, download subtitles and download automatic subtitles. The difference is that the usual subtitles were supplied by the author of the video. They are not common and usually have a higher quality. However, YouTube can create automatic subtitles, and they are generated for a variety of languages, with automatic translation. To do this, there is the following option, a list of languages. Enter the code of the necessary languages there, it's always 2 letters code for each one of them. For example, for Russian it is RU, for English it is N, for French it is FR, and so on. If you need subtitles in a specific format, you can convert them right here. Different devices and programs may require subtitles in different formats. Keep in mind that you can then download subtitles separately. For this there is a separate function in SoundWorks. You can write the language codes separated by commas. If you don't specify the language codes, you will get all subtitles, in all languages. That would be over 100 files and most likely this is not what you need. Therefore if you download subtitles be sure to use the option to specify a specific language, or several. Let's go to the Playlist tab. It controls the downloading of playback lists. This is usually a YouTube feature, although it can work with other sites where there are playback lists. These are very simple settings. The first one allows you to download the entire list if the link is the same for both the entire list and the first video. Only download videos with this in the title. Here you can specify the word, part of the word or phrase that should be in the title of the video. If you download a list containing all the videos of the channel, filtering by name will allow you to download only those that interest you. The next option will allow you to stop after a certain number of videos have been downloaded. Then you can choose if you want to download only videos created on a certain day, or before that date, or only after that date. Keep in mind that the specified date is always included in the selection. Next, you can choose whether you want to download only small or large files. This is useful if you do not want to download videos in high resolution or too large videos. The last option, download playlist in reverse order, allows you to start downloading from the last video. This is useful if you want to download the oldest or newest videos first. The playlists in different services may have different date sorting for playlists. Let's go to the Post-Processing tab. Extract audio in this format. This function extracts the audio track and saves it in the format you have chosen. This usually means that only the audio track is downloaded, since audio and video streams are stored and served separately. Keep in mind that the video will be lost in this case. In order not to lose the video, use the next option, Keep Intermediate Video File. You can convert the downloaded video to the format you need. If the video is already in this format, the conversion will not be performed. This is a useful option, since the downloaded video will not always be in the format you need. For example, the MP4 format is best suited for a TV. You can embed subtitles in the finished video. To do this, it is advisable to choose the Matryoshka format, that is, MKV. You can embed a thumbnail as a cover, this will only work with the MKV format. Keep in mind that modern TVs can play this format, but it probably won't work to upload it online. Chapter markers is a function of MP4, and it allows you to jump to the desired part of the video. To do this, the video service must also support chapters. If you downloaded the metadata, you can embed it using the appropriate option. As you can see, everything is very simple and doesn't take time. I hope that the new skill will be useful to you. Thanks for watching.